Yo, it's just all about autos. I'm too deep in, man. Finna get this carbon installed. Carbon mirror caps and side skirts. Coming soon. I already got them up in there. I need my fucking Uber home. I'm fucking pretty coming too. So I leave this motherfucker, let me call my goddamn Uber. And I will see y'all when I pick it up. For sure. On YouTube. Shit, I'm back, man. About to go pick up the whip. Got a little break from work. So they told me it's ready. They couldn't put the side skirts on. Said some shit about it wouldn't go on the bottom or some shit they said, but they couldn't do the side skirts. But they got the mirror cap, so yeah. We finna go pick them up and I'll get back with y'all when I get there. I'm rambling like a motherfucker. I can't even think straight shit. Oh shit. Get back up, let y'all see some of the drip. These are shoes. Alright, we done made it. We got your boy right. See the mirrors looking good from here. Mad as hell they couldn't put the side skirts on, but it's all good. It matched the lip and rear diffuser. Yeah, them bitches look good. Yes, sir. Match that lip. Ooh. Yeah, that shit smack. Alrighty, we ready to roll. Little minor adjustments, upgrades. Check that diffuser out too. Exhaust diffuser, motherfucker coming along, man. More parts I need. Steering wheel next. And some seat wraps and some more shit. But I'm gonna get with y'all in a little bit, man. I gotta get back to work. Got this new mount, man. This is my $8 at TJ Maxx. We're gonna see how I hold it up though. Yeah, finna go wash the whip, man. Clean it up a little bit. Shit, so y'all can see the mirrors and all the carbon clean. all clean, all back clean, cleansed. Tires wet, man. Fresh carbon mirrors on. Yes, sir. Brand new AWE tuning exhaust. We'll make a video soon. I said in a previous video, another video, that I'm gonna make a video explaining for people with Audis or getting into Audis, you know what I mean, with no parts. This is stage 2 pretty much, but I did a lot of work, man. So I'm gonna show what I did so far, or at least tell the parts and some of the prices and where I get everything from in the next video. Stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and you know what I mean, we're gonna keep getting it.